Hey everyone, we're Airplane Mode TV.
And welcome to Jordan.
So we're currently sitting in the Roman amphitheater and we just walked from the Amman citadel. It was about a 15-minute walk, all downhill through the town, which was pretty cool.
Yeah, I would definitely opt to take that walk over a cab ride just to experience the city a little bit. And it's a pretty safe walk overall, other than when you get to the bottom, those last two avenues before the amphitheater. They're 3-lane avenues and there's no traffic light. So it's kind of hard to get from one end to the other. It's kind of like a game of Frogger. So you got to be patient, a little challenging. But other than that, cool walk, cool experience.
Can you feel the energy when you are closer to me? Can you feel the energy when you are closer to me? Can you feel I can you feel I can you are can you feel I can you feel I can you feel the energy?
Are you holding up?
I'm holding up.
I'm holding up, that's why I'm playing. Yeah.
When you are closer to me, can you feel the energy? When you are closer to me, can you feel the energy? When you are closer to me, can you feel the energy? When you are closer to me.
That's hilarious.
I didn't think that was going to be graceful at all, but how non-graceful it is unbelievable.
I'm still laughing, honestly.
I didn't expect my body to flip over. Everybody else went down and they floated on their back. And this just consumed me.
Can you feel I can you feel I can you are can you feel I can you feel I can you feel I can you feel I can you are can you feel I can you feel I can
So we're currently in the Dead Sea. The lowest place on earth. I believe it's about 417 feet below sea level. And the salt levels are so high that once you get in, you automatically float. I'm gonna try to demonstrate. Hey! And also that land that you see over there is Israel. The Dead Sea is located directly in between the borders of Jordan and Israel, so you can access it from both countries. But so cool. Oh my god!
Oh, no big deal.
Oh my god!
Oh, they run.
Oh my god. These are wild camels? No, they stick their hands in. Oh my god.
Oh, there's a lot of them.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm crying. Oh my god. Is that a baby? In the front?
So it is now 6 in the morning and we are on our way to the treasury in Petra. Absolutely crazy. It's about a 20-minute walk from the visitor center. We're about halfway there, so stay tuned for more. Indiana Jones.
You and me were never meant to be forever, nah, nah. Take control for one night, you and I could head home together. Bring the energy, put some memories in my mind. Dancing in the moonlight, don't be polite, it's now or never. The way you roll your eyes, so low I get so high. I think you're crazy, think I like it, yeah. The way that body moves, so cold when you cut loose. Some kind of crazy, I can't fight it. So take me, baby, love me all around the world. Show me places.
Petra. Wonderful world.
Amazing. Hey guys, so directly behind us is the monastery. It's about double the size of the treasury, so it looks just as cool without the crazy crowds. The kicker is it's a nice hour-long hike with a lot of steps all uphill just to get here.
Which explains why there's almost no crowds.
But in our opinion, very worth it. And there is a cool cafe in the shade where you could kind of chill and relax right afterwards. So here, take a further look.
So the city of Petra was once habitable. If you take a look at the mountainside, you'll see holes in it, and this was actually living quarters for the residents of Petra. As you walk all the way from the treasury to the monastery, you'll see these holes on the entire trail. Let's take a look at one of the living quarters. Currently it's housing a donkey. This is his living quarters.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. He's sleeping. This square footage in New York would cost you what?
Easy, $3,500 a month. Yeah, light work. All right, so we got here at approximately 6:30 this morning. It is about noon, and you could kind of see the difference first thing in the morning to now in regards to the crowd. Very busy, beautiful nonetheless. The sun's out, which is cool, but the crowds are definitely here.
So if you want that picture, that shot, come first thing in the morning.
Yeah, I think that's
sacrifice the sun to get this place all to yourself.
yeah, agreed.